How to buy S&P 500 on Moomoo. To invest in the S&P 500 through Moomoo, follow these steps. Open and fund your Moomoo account. Download the Moomoo app or visit their website to create an account. After registration, link your bank account and deposit funds to start investing. Search for an S&P 500 ETF. In the app's search bar, enter the ticker symbol of your desired S&P 500 ETF. Common options include SPY, SPDR, S&P 500, ETF Trust IVV, iShares Core S&P 500 ETF, VOO, Vanguard S&P 500 ETF. Examine the ETF's performance, expense ratio, and holdings to ensure it aligns with your investment goals. Place an order, tap the Trade button, select Buy, enter the number of shares, choose your order type, e.g., market or limit, and confirm the purchase. Monitor your investment. After purchasing, track your ETF's performance through the Moomoo app's portfolio section. That's it. Thanks for watching.